Amber, and today I'm joined by my beautiful mother.
Hi!
We're gonna be cooking Korea's most viral recipes at the moment, which of course are from
Korea.
Culinary Class Wars, the show.
Or 흑백 요리사. You say that in Korea, yeah?
It's a cooking competition show where basically 80 professional chefs compete against 20 of Korea's best Michelin star world famous chefs.
World-renowned chefs.
So the more basic chefs are wearing black coats and the Michelin star chefs are wearing white coats. So today I have little outfits for us, of course.
Look at this!
I'm gonna wear black, Mom's gonna wear white, of course. I feel like a ninja. Wow. This could be my job.
My face is so puffy today. Oh my god, this is so embarrassing.
It's okay.
I'm ready. I put my hair up. I'm ready to go.
We're really doing it. We're gonna be making 4 recipes today. Can you remember them all, Mom?
Chestnut tiramisu, tofu pinenut soup, mala shrimp dim sum, and then there is Edward Lee's tuna caviar bibimbap.
Yeah! So we're gonna go ham and we're gonna see if they're actually as good as they look on TV. Because those were 4 dishes I really wanted to try in real life.
Yeah.
So we'll let you know the truth.
Let's do it.
For our Korean viewers, do you want to do a quick version of the whole intro in Korean for them?
오늘은 흑백 요리사 한국에서 아주 유명한 그 쇼를 다시 엠버하고 하는데요. 한 4개 정도 음식을 만들고 벌써 엠버가 많이 준비해놔서 금방 또 할 수 있게 됐으면 좋겠습니다.
Period. And I've been saying that. What'd you say?
I hope this goes by fast.
It's okay. No, that's funny. That's funny. So we're gonna start out with the tuna caviar bibimbap first.
Oh, we're gonna go with the main piece.
The piece de
Okay,
resistance. Sweet. Wow, you look so cute, Mom. This is so funny. I thought ahead and I prepped all the ingredients so that we can just put it together. But this is not your usual bibimbap. I'm sure you guys have seen regular bibimbap. It's a bowl of rice and various ingredients that you mix together. Edward Lee,
He's Korean born but raised in America.
so his relationship to being Korean is a bit more complicated since English is his main language that he speaks. So being on the show, he struggled a bit. And for one of his big dishes, he made his spin on bibimbap and he had his little speech.
I am bibimbap.
I am bibimbap.
That is his mix of different cultures and different foods and stuff.
This is constructed in a very different way where he forms it into a ball and deep fries it. What the heck?
But he puts all the 반찬 inside. 불고기, 시금치, and sauteed onions.
It's the beef, then onions, and spinach.
불고기, sauteed onions.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put all the spinach in there.
That's just regular Korean spinach with sesame oil and garlic. And then I don't have sheets of seaweed, but I have this little crumpled up seaweed.
That's even better. This is so tasty. Oh my god, and look who's on the cover.
I know.
Mr. What's his name? Baek Jong-won, the judge. This is something that you just sprinkle it on rice and eat it. It's a seasoned seaweed.
He puts in a raw egg yolk in the middle, which is kind of scary for me. So we're gonna separate this yolk. I popped the yolk.
No, you didn't. Yeah. Just put it in a bowl. Start over. Gently go back and forth.
Wow! Now he wraps it up into a ball. Oh my god, it's already trying to pop. Oh my goodness, look, it's a nightmare, it's a nightmare.
Yeah, and just gently scoop.
What is happening?
Oh, that's just a bulgogi sauce. It's fine.
Look a little
No,
weird.
nobody's gonna see the bottom of it. We're gonna cover it with tuna, Amber.
You're right!
Don't worry about
We're
it.
saved! Okay, we're good, we're good. Now I'm gonna put this in the fridge just to set. What, is my hat weird?
No, it looks like you're having some regrets about your plans.
Next. Oh, I spilled oil over me.
No, you did not, girl. Okay, this looks nice and shiny.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh-oh.
Hello. Oh my god! You guys look so cute.
Hello. I brought you your coffee.
Oh, thank you.
From a little Korean place. Okay, Andrew, ready to see Amber and Mom?
We're making the video.
Yes. I was also thinking Koreans have 2 big passions: food and drinks.
What? Oh no! Let's do it again.
Food and
Skincare.
yes. I'm dead. But clearly we both have quite beautiful skin, if I must be so honest. But there are certain products I like to use to keep my skin this way, and that's where I gotta grab my Curology. Thank you so much to Curology for sponsoring this video. I think we all know this by now. My skin was not always this clear. Look at this photo. I would say I had almost cystic acne, because let's be honest, sometimes the Korean genes are not enough to give you clear skin. But in 2019, I started using Curology. This is my little custom formula, and these are my active ingredients. This custom formula is customized by a dermatology provider who selects 3 active ingredients for your skin based on a little skin quiz that you take and photos of your skin that you provide. And trust me, I love to try trendy skincare as much as the next person, but sometimes less is more. And I feel like Curology is really the minimalist skincare that your skin actually craves. So I've been using this for years, and especially during the holiday season, my skin gets a lot drier, it's a bit more stressful, and this just keeps my skin looking and feeling nice and fresh. If you want to try out Curology, I'll have a link down below. And now it's time to assemble this bibimbap. Now we're gonna slice this tuna really thin.
Oh my god, Amber, I don't know.
This is what he does on the show. He pounds it out.
This is the back of the knife, not the front of the knife.
Now we can really see why she's the white coat chef. Oh yay! If the chopstick bubbles at the bottom of the oil, it's ready. Oh my goodness! Oh my god, it's bubbling.
Things falling apart. It is kind of, oh my god.
Oh my god.
It's all coming apart. Yeah.
Should we just take it out then? It's okay. I don't even care. Beautiful!
Yeah, next time I guess we just have to use more rice. I don't deserve this white coat.
No! We kind of squished it back into a ball shape, and now we're gonna put this in the fridge for a bit just to kind of settle.
We're making chogochujang. When you make bibimbap, you have to have gochujang and then you mix it in.
What exactly is in here?
Gochujang, which is the red pepper paste, soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil, and just a little tiny bit of sugar just to balance things out.
I'll try and flip upside down.
Yeah, upside down.
Oh my goodness, what is happening?
Okay, that's fine.
괜찮아, 괜찮아.
Ding, ding, ding. What's that song that you always hear in the background?
I'm okay. I'm fine. Quinchana. Quinchana. Ding, 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 ding.
Ding, 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 괜찮아. The one TikTok audio.
Yeah, look at this. Edward Lee.
Yes. That looks pretty good to me.
Who was your favorite chef on the show?
My favorites were the old ladies that cooked like home style cooking.
Oh yeah, they were really good.
So I liked Auntie Omakase and
Yeah.
the elementary school cafeteria chef.
Oh, she was very sweet.
Yeah.
Who were your favorite?
I like the guy who made the chestnut tiramisu.
And of course, Edward Lee. For a show that was fully made and filmed in Korea, it was really fun to see an American chef in there because that was kind of like
Korean American chef
representation
like,
for us.
Yeah.
But you know who I was impressed with was Triple Star's cutting skill.
Oh,
After the show came out,
I guess he was cheating on his wife, and he was looking at the security cameras of his restaurant and doing weird things while watching the security footage of his female customers.
Oh really? No, I didn't hear that much.
What the heck is that? That's so weird. It's always the ones you don't expect.
Yep.
I could also technically make the tofu pinenut soup right now, and we could taste test both of them at the same time. Because that one's already ready. We have another dish by Chef Edward Lee, which is a tofu pinenut soup. So I made the soup yesterday. This is a cold soup by blending up tofu, roasted pine nuts, a bit of sesame seeds and sesame oil, some lemon zest, and some salt, soy milk, and I think that was it. I don't know. And then I just blended it up and strained it to get rid of any chunks, and now it's just been chilling in the fridge overnight.
Ooh, it looks so creamy, Amber.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Then I have this herb oil that I made with dill. Wow. Oh my god, it's weird. Ooh, you're right, the drops look fire. That is crazy. I'm trying, I'm literally shaking. Now that we have our soup, we're gonna assemble the tofu ball as well.
Like that?
Whoa.
Oh, it's already dripping. Little microgreens on it.
Yes! For the toppings, I have microgreens and caviar.
For real, you both.
I bought caviar.
Whoa.
Except this is like the cheapy caviar. It's
whoa.
black Tobacco roe, so this was only $15. The other caviar next to it was like $100. So I think.
I don't know anything about caviar.
Me neither. I've never eaten caviar. I've never bought caviar. So cute. Cheers.
So salty.
It's so salty and pretty fishy.
What'd you get for $15?
Yeah, I guess so. Oh my goodness, I am freaking out. I cannot believe we made this. Yay! We did it! This is actually amazing. I'm so excited to eat these. Ashley hasn't watched the show. She knows nothing about the dishes. And open your eyes.
It's
That looks crazy. That looks like a human heart that physically got pulled out of someone's chest. This one looks gorgeous though. I think that looks good too. I think it's just the sauce on the bottom is like tripping me out. That one's not for you. Ashley doesn't eat meat. But this one is fully vegan. That looks gorgeous.
Okay, I feel really bad taking a scoop. But I'm just gonna take a scoop from anywhere,
enjoy.
okay? Cheers! Oh,
That's good. Yeah, it's really good. And I like it when you get a lot of the dill oil and the chili oil. That's the best part. It's very light tasting.
Very smooth.
Really creamy too. What do we all rate it out of 10?
8 out of 10.
Same.
8.7 out of 10.
Yay! 잘 먹었습니다.
잘 먹었습니다.
Yes. On to the next. 하나, 둘, 셋.
Oh, Amber.
Yes, I know numbers. Wow.
Fire.
Fire. Ooh, 맛있겠다. Yes. Tuna caviar bibimbap. Tastes good like regular bibimbap. Bibimbap. Yummy.
Because we fry the rice, it's got that nurungji taste, which is that ground rice at the bottom of a pot. Kind of like when you do dorsok bibimbap, which is when you buy bibimbap in a hot pot. It makes a
hot
crunchy bit
stone.
at the bottom.
That's good.
It's really good.
It's actually like
That's because Amber made all the delicious banchan that went inside of it.
it's very tasty. I can't believe one of the judges said that didn't count as bibimbap because it was
Because we
too
didn't mix
different.
it?
That
No, but it
tastes
tastes
just
like
like it. Beastin'.
I'm gonna have another bite.
I'll say 9.5 because we messed it up, but that tastes really good.
Yeah, I agree. Like 9.5. Thank you, Amber.
Next, we're on to the mala cream shrimp dim sum.
Looked delicious.
It looked really good. It also looks like the most difficult to make, so I'm the most scared for those. Okay.
Slime like
Ew.
and then just pull it out.
You said you didn't grow up eating too much Chinese food, right?
No,
Mostly
there's.
Korean.
When I was growing up, we ate, mom's cooking, so obviously it's all Korean. And then every once in a while, like on the weekend, my dad would take us to a Chinese restaurant, which is basically like a jjajangmyeon restaurant.
Yeah.
And jjajangmyeon is
Black bean noodles.
bean noodles, yeah. And that was a treat. My mom and dad always liked jjajangmyeon and jampong. Jampong is basically like seafood stew, yeah, with the noodles. As I got a little bit older, when they were working, I would have to prep dinner for them. My duty for dinner time was making sheets of kim, which is the seaweed paper.
roasted seaweed, yeah.
Right, and nowadays you just buy it in packages, right?
Yeah.
And you just cut it up and serve it. But my job was literally like that lady, omakase lady,
Auntie Omakase on
where
the
I have
show.
to put oil on it,
Yeah.
and then you have to put salt on it, and you have to roast 2 sheets at a time in the oven, and then I have to cut it up. That was my job just about every day.
Here we have our shrimp paste with garlic and ginger. I'm gonna add a bit of cornstarch, some salt, and some pepper. For the outer coating, we have these spring roll shells that we're gonna really thinly slice up to coat the dim sum and then deep fry it. Doing good.
It's cute. Look at this.
Yay, little
Yes.
snowball. Should I give him a name?
When we get it out, that we can. Right.
Yeah. Oh, it's already dark. Fail number 1. Yes. Here we have our dim sum. They actually smell really good. And here's our mala cream sauce. I made this last night by combining some Szechuan chili oil, ginger, garlic, cumin, coriander, cinnamon, and some other spices, and then adding heavy whipping cream to it. And then you strain out all the chunky bits and you're left with this creamy sauce. So I'm gonna use this as the base. And we have our chunky Nara Smith plate right here. We're gonna do 3 dollops. Okay, which 3 should I take?
Fluffiest ones with the craziest hair. You can sit.
Yes, it worked. Look at him. So cute. It's perfect. Okay. And then I have some green onion that I cut at an angle, very thin. I'm shaking in my boots. Or as they say in Korea, I have goosebumps.
They do say that.
How do you say that in Korean?
They say 소리끼쳐.
Here it is.
So cutesy.
That is pretty gorgeous if you ask me. It smells really good. Ashley's behind the camera again and we're gonna try this out. This looks so good. It might be the best bite. Cheers.
Here's the crunch.
So good. It's really good. Really? Oh my god. Whoa.
So yummy.
Wow, that's good.
The sauce is good.
It's so light and fluffy. The ginger makes it really fresh. And the sauce has so many different flavors in it, like cinnamon, cumin, Szechuan.
I've seen videos of people making that. Like,
Yeah,
online.
This is delicious.
You guys look so professional. I literally can't get over it. It's making me think mom is a real chef.
I know. Nuts. We beasted that. I would say 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Absolutely. It's so yummy.
I would pay like $20 for this plate.
High five there.
Thank you, Ashley. You have dessert, the final course of the day, and probably the most viral dish out of the whole show.
It's really popular in Korea.
Like 7-Elevens are like selling it now.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
like,
yeah,
what? Yeah, chestnut tiramisu. They had a competition in the show where they had to use convenience store ingredients to make a dish. One of the contestants made chestnut tiramisu by blending up chestnuts and putting it into a tiramisu. So here I have my chestnut paste that I made last night by boiling chestnuts in milk and then blending it up. And I was left with this thick mixture that I'm gonna add to some whipped cream. Heavy whipping cream, some sugar, and vanilla. Electric whisk. This might take a while. Perfect whipped cream! Homemade whipped cream is so good.
That's ice cream.
We have our whipped cream. I'm gonna take some of this chestnut puree. We're just mixing it very gently. And then the chef on the show uses a latte instead of the usual espresso. So we're taking some vanilla latte from a Korean cafe near us. Cafe Joa, very cute.
Lady fingers?
Not lady fingers. He uses these digestive biscuits. 'Cause that's what the convenience store had.
Oh,
Quick, so it doesn't get too soggy.
Okay.
Is it a little too hard?
A little small.
GWENCHANAAAA. Oh, I broke it up. Then some of our chestnut whipped cream. But you said dessert didn't really exist in Korea when you were a kid, right?
No, dessert is not a thing in Korea.
It is now.
I mean, now I guess, yeah, everything is very different than when I grew up back in the 70s.
Because you said there was like no ovens, right?
Yeah, Korean houses traditionally don't have any ovens, so there's no baking. We would steam like duck, which is like the rice cake. Those were traditional sweets during holidays.
Hello?
Bye-bye.
Kapoy.
Bro, nice outfit.
Look at
Oh
that.
my gosh. This is hilarious.
Do you want to try anything?
Yeah, I'll try
Some of these were very good.
Shrimp dim sum.
Okay.
Oh, one bite.
When it first came
good, bro.
You think so?
Good, right?
Thank you. Yes. Yeah, that one was our
That is
favorite.
really good.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. When
No,
it
this
first
is
came out
actually
of the
really
fryer,
good.
it was
Thank
really
you.
yummy.
Oh, thank you, Kelly.
How do I even eat this? There we go. Mmm.
Kelly! He's eating our food!
I like this the most.
Oh, really? Oh, that's your dinner for tonight. Enjoy. Here we have our chestnut tiramisu, nice and finished. We got a little paki as our garnish as well. I'm sure a lot of you guys haven't watched the show, but I hope you at least enjoyed seeing us cook anyways. It's always fun to watch shows with you guys. I think Korean TV is an easy way for us to get back into our culture.
I think the best part of the show was when the judges were blindfolded, and it was so funny, right?
Oh my
It's
god, I
like
forgot about
they were
that.
sitting there, and then
Should we do that right now? I'll be the judge. 맛있어요. chestnut입니다. I'm just kidding, I don't know any Korean. Actually, that's really good. It's not too sweet at all.
I can't do it like that. It's so embarrassing, Amber.
Do it. Yeah! It's pretty yummy. Yeah. I can see why this is popular now.
I would say 9. I
Really?
like it. Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
What do you think was your favorite dish overall?
I have to say the mala shrimp one.
The dim sum was
Really
really
delicious,
good.
yeah.
It was so much fun cooking with you, Mama. Thank you for helping me. I like working together.
Yeah.
We make a good
It was
team.
fun.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our little cooking video. And if you want to check out the show, it's a good binge watch with some friends. I gotta be honest.
We love you.
And we'll see you next time. Bye.